So guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the attic lift upgrade slash giveaway that I started in my most recent video. So back in November 11th, I published a video where I upgraded my current attic lift system by putting in a larger capacity cable hoist, and I also upgraded like some connection points like the U-bolt I'm using and stuff like that. And in that video I said I'd also give away my existing cable hoist. So that's an older 880 pound cable hoist from Princess Auto that's used. Since then I've decided for the cost of an extra few bucks, I might as well just order someone a new one instead of spending money shipping my existing one to them. So what I'm going to do is, the winner of this draw, I'm going to go on eBay and order the exact same lift that I ordered for myself for this upgrade project. So that's a 1,000 kilogram electric cable hoist. And I'm going to ship that directly to the winner straight from eBay. So without further ado, take it away, me.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and find a YouTube random comment picker. We're going to grab one of these, pickerwinner.co. It looks like it might be alright. We'll click on that. I'll paste the link for the upgrade video here. We'll go fetch. Select the filter you would like to use. Anything goes. Don't include the replies and don't allow duplicates. And continue. We'll see what happens. Here we go. Loaded the comments, so it loaded 49 comments that were available on that video. So I'm just going to go ahead and click pick a winner and we'll see who our winner is. There you go. So the winner of the draw is Dan Easton. His comment was, I've been looking for ideas for a storage hoist for a couple months. Just finishing construction on a 30 by 40 shop with 12-foot walls in Michigan. When I saw your setup, I knew that was exactly what I was looking for. No swaying cables. I will most likely fab up to 2 frames similar to yours. Nice work and great video. Count me in. So Dan, congratulations. You're the winner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you get in touch with me. Either respond to the top comment that I'm going to pin on this video, and that way I can get directly in touch with you, or you can email me. You can find the link to email me on the website. I'm probably going to do a quick verification to confirm you are who you are, and then we'll discuss getting a lift or a hoist sent out to you. So once again, congratulations. Back to other me in the garage.
So there you have it, Dan Easton. Congratulations. I hope this makes a good addition to your 30 by 40 garage or shop project that you're working on. So now just a quick update regarding the Supercub project that's currently going on my channel. Currently parts 1 through 6 are available. Part 7 is still currently being filmed. So just a quick touch point on that. I went ahead and started fixing plastics. The activator in the fiberglass repair kit that I was using was no good anymore, and it resulted in some horrible results. So I just bit the bullet. I ordered all new plastics for the rebuild, and now I'm getting ready to scuff, prime, paint, and get all that stuff ready back the same color as the frame so we can start putting things back together. It's been pretty slow now over the last month or so with this giveaway going, as well as other projects. Like I'm currently refinishing a dining room table for the dining room, the house and whatnot, and a few other things on the go. I had to put a new starter in my truck, all kinds of fun stuff. So I just really haven't had much time in the garage the last little while through the holidays. But stay tuned, because coming up you're going to see me get part 7 of that Supercub restoration video up around the channel, and hopefully it'll satisfy you guys until I get into parts 8 and 9 and get it finished up. So once again, I want to thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.